have bought a 50,000.
I'm not like, bro. I think I got scammed.
I don't want to do that.
I got scammed.
Oh, a man is right here. I'm like Ronaldo. I see. Ronaldo bought a $50,000. Let's do something else. I want to dance. Conservative robot right here. Moxie! What? This is everything. Hey, look, and I'm not, Moxie, I'm not even trolling. This is, bro, I can show y'all the receipt. Yo, bro, nah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think robot specifically. What is this? Was transferred to all the way to Beijing, China. Moxie, that's his buddy. Moxie, can you sing me a song? Because he's the best football player in the world. Moxie, I want to teach you a dance. My China buddy. You know? And I just want to test it out and do something else. I want to see if it's like a really, like an actual robot. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to, like, see. Hey, look.
Yes.
I'm not even capping. Hey, you can look this robot up. Hey. Look. I haven't talked to it yet. All right, then put on the music again. I'm going to talk to it with y'all live. I swear, I've never talked to it. Moxie, stop. Hey. Yo, bro. Hey, Brazil, Moxie, I do. Can I kiss you? Nobody like you. What is my name? Oh yeah, her name is Moxie. No, played against Messi. What's my name? About like 3 or 4 months ago, and he scored like 3 goals, and Messi scored 1. Moxie, can we hug? And it was like a beautiful, like. Yes, you do. Yes. Oh, a penis. You bought? I said that. Hey, can we hug, Moxie? Now, I do. Moxie, no, I don't care. Nobody like goodbye. I think I got scammed, bro. I got scammed. Hey, Moxie, can we hug? No. I'm about to. Anita looking at me like that. Let's do something else. I want to dance. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I think I got Moxie, can we kiss? I don't want to talk about this anymore, okay? And no! Moxie, no! The Portugal! Ronaldo! Moxie, let's do something else. Yes. What is this? She mad at me. I'm like, Ronaldo, kiss me, bro. Ronaldo! Yo, she's mad! No, hold on, can you sing me a song? Can you hear me? Moxie, please be my me. I'm scared. Wait, can she see which way I'm going? Yo, I'm not the bro. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think she's like, Hey, Moxie. Yeah. Moxie, can you put on a song? Because he's the best football player and soccer player in the world. Moxie, I'm done.